Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore topic clusters in WordPress with Rank Math step by step clearly. To restore topic clusters in WordPress with Rank Math, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Rank Math plugin on the left-hand menu. Click on Dashboard to access the main settings. Ensure that the Rank Math plugin is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Next, go to the Titles and Meta section under the Rank Math menu. Here, you'll find options to manage individual posts and pages. Click on Post Types to adjust settings specific to your blog articles. Select the post type you want to work with, typically posts. Scroll down to the category settings to manage your topic clusters. Add relevant categories that reflect the clusters you want to restore. Once you've set your categories, save the changes. Now, navigate to Categories under the Posts section on the left menu. Edit each category that pertains to your topic clusters. Ensure that each category has a proper description and is optimized for SEO. After updating the categories, return to the Rank Math menu. Click on Sitemap Settings. Verify that your categories are included in the sitemap. If not, enable the option to include categories in the sitemap. This helps search engines discover your topic clusters more easily. Next, go to the 404 monitor in the Rank Math menu. Here, identify any broken links related to your restored clusters. Fix any issues by redirecting broken links to the appropriate cluster pages. Finally, consistently monitor your website's analytics. Look for improvements in your traffic related to your topic clusters. By following these steps, you will effectively restore your topic clusters in WordPress using Rank Math. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.